Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to download the PayPal on your Android device. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to download the PayPal on your Android device from the Google Play Store, first open up the Play Store, and you can see my Play Store is over here. Let's go. After opening your Play Store, you can see the search bar on the top of the screen. Tap over there and you'll be required to search for PayPal like this, and tap on search. And after that, you can see the PayPal Send Soft Manage option available over here in the first. Let's tap over there, and this is the PayPal for Android devices. Let's tap on install, and you'll be required to wait a little bit for the PayPal to be downloaded and installed on your device, depending upon your net speed and your device's capability.